This is a Siku 0813 Scania Concrete Mixer truck die-cast model. Special concrete transport trucks, in-transit mixers, are made to mix concrete and transport it to the construction site. They can be charged with dry materials and water, with the mixing occurring during transport. They can also be loaded from a central mix plant. With this process, the material has already been mixed prior to loading. The concrete mixing transport truck maintains the material's liquid state through agitation or turning of the drum until delivery. The interior of the drum on a concrete mixing truck is fitted with a spiral blade. In one rotational direction, the concrete is pushed deeper into the drum. This is the direction the drum is rotated while the concrete is being transported to the building site. This is known as charging the mixer. When the drum rotates in the other direction, the Archimedes screw-type arrangement discharges or forces the concrete out of the drum. From there it may go on to chutes to guide the viscous concrete directly to the job site. If the truck cannot get close enough to the site to use the chutes, the concrete may be discharged into a concrete pump, connected to a flexible hose, or onto a conveyor belt which can be extended some distance, typically 10 or more meters. A pump provides the means to move the material to precise locations, multi-floor buildings, and other distance-prohibitive locations. Buckets suspended from cranes are also used to place the concrete. The drum is traditionally made of steel, but on some newer trucks, fiberglass has been used as a weight reduction measure. Rear discharge trucks require both a driver and a chute man to guide the truck and chute back and forth to place concrete in the manner suitable to the contractor. Newer front discharge trucks have controls inside the cab of the truck to allow the driver to move the chute in all directions. The first front discharge mixer, patented in 1974, was designed and built by Royal W. Sims of Holiday, Utah, United States. Concrete mixers are equipped with 2 or more axles. 4, 5 and 6 axle trucks are the most common, with the number being determined by the load and local legislation governing allowable loads on the road. The axles are necessary to distribute the load evenly, allow operation on weight-restricted roads, and reduce wear and tear on normal roads. A 2 or 3 axle truck during the winter when road weight limits are reduced has no usable payload in many jurisdictions. Other areas may require expensive permits to operate. Additional axles other than those used for steering, steers, or drivetrain, drives, may be installed between the steers and drives, or behind the drives. Mixers commonly have multiple steering axles as well, which generally result in very large turning radii. To facilitate maneuvering, the additional axles may be lift axles, which allows them to be raised off the ground so that they do not scrub, get dragged sideways across the ground, on tight turns, or increase the vehicle's turning radius. Axles installed behind the drives are known as tag axles or booster axles, and are often equipped to turn opposite to the steering axle, to reduce scrubbing and automatically lift when the truck is put into a reverse gear. Tractor-trailer combination mixers, where the mixer is installed on a trailer instead of a truck chassis, are used in some jurisdictions, such as the province of Quebec, where even 6-axle trucks would have trouble carrying a useful load. Concrete mixers generally do not travel far from their plant, as the concrete begins to set as soon as it is in the truck. Many contractors require that the concrete be in place within 90 minutes after loading. If the truck breaks down or for some other reason the concrete hardens in the truck, workers may need to enter the barrel with jackhammers. Stephen Stepanian filed a patent application for the first truck mixer in 1916. Trucks weigh 20,000 to 30,000 pounds, 9,070 to 13,600 kilograms, and can carry roughly 40,000 pounds, 18,100 kilograms, of concrete, although many varying sizes of mixer truck are currently in use. The most common truck capacity is 10 cubic yards, 7.6 cubic meters. Most concrete mixers in the UK are limited to a speed of 56 miles per hour, 90 kilometers per hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our Facebook page.